British Columbia, Canada, is home to several types of squirrels, including the native Douglas and red squirrels, and the introduced eastern gray squirrel. British Columbia is home to over 500 bird species, making it one of the most diverse birding regions in North America. This diversity is due to the province's wide range of habitats: alpine meadows, wetlands, grasslands, including coastal rainforests and boreal forests. Bird species in BC range from the iconic bald eagle and great blue heron to small songbirds like warblers and finches. The province is also an important stopover along the Pacific Flyway,